Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing camera assistant in camera app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I open my camera app and go to camera settings, you can see I don't have camera assistant. You can see it's missing. So to fix that, you need to install one app called Camera Assistant from Galaxy Store. So let me close my camera app. So just open your Galaxy Store. You can see it's now opened, and after that just do a search for Camera Assistant. Okay. So here is the Camera Assistant app. So just tap on this button. It's downloading and it's now installing and it's now installed. Now you can close your Galaxy Store. So let me close it. You can see here is the Camera Assistant app. So now if I open my camera and go to camera settings, and if I scroll down a little bit, okay, you can see here is the Camera Assistant, okay, and if I tap on it, you can see it's now opened, and we have various options over here. You can see, so it's now fixed. So let me close my camera app. And also guys, if you don't want to open Camera Assistant from camera app, then you can open Camera Assistant app directly, okay. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.